Another quick one. What I'm sowing today is spring onions. You have to keep them going as you use them up. And the good thing about these is you can stick them anywhere. So white Lisbon, 5 or 6 or more in each cell. Some say do once a fortnight, once a month for me. I've got hundreds of seeds there. These seeds are still in date, so I'm still hoping that they're going to be good. I'm going to top these off with the old vermiculite again. And in the water bath. Quick 2-minute job. Get this water topped up and it'll be good to go. And another one for the shelf. And these are the spring onions I've just done half a dozen modules of. Let them soak and fully get that water in there. The leeks, giant winter leeks, I've decided now is going to go into this bed over here where I've already got some leek. I was going to put the swedes in here, but I think it'd be better if I put the leeks in this one bed here. I'm going to do them 30 centimetres apart, the rows, and 15 centimetres each station. And in each station there will be 3 leeks and grow together. Pumpkinator 2 is going absolutely crazy under there. I'm just going to leave them to it. Sweet corn's up to my chest height, no tassels yet. And the sweets, instead of going in that bed, are going to go in that corner where the garlic was, where the cold frame is currently. Okay, I think I'm just about done. I have my beans have reached the top of the support structure, top and beyond. And the peas are just about there as well, so all good here. That's about it for now. I'm trying to do a automated watering system. I've got one of those, what's the name of that company? I can't remember the name of the company just now, but they do a 12 spot one and a 24 spot one, and so I got it out and got it more or less set up and brought the tube in underneath here somewhere, and to go round and starting at this corner and doing the 4 melons that I have onto the sweet peppers and melons, and underneath the path onto the other melon, then coming round to these 4 aubergines, and into that corner was I think it was the 11th one, and then I realised that they'd only sent 12, and when I looked at the documentation, even though you pay for a 24 spot one, you only get 12 drippers and enough piping for the same. So I just went to Temo and bought a 20-point kit, just the piping, drippers, etc., and T-pieces. And I'm now extending it to go down. You can see I've reached this point here and coming round to this one, and then I'll just continue on along all of these peppers, and that will be about 24 points. Then I've not even tested the system yet, but once I've finished the drippers, I'll give it a go. Yeah, it's this one called Irrigatia. The actual thing's still in the box there, but that'll come out later when I'm got all the drippers done. The square foot garden has gone absolutely crazy. These poppies have seemed to taken over everything here, which is fine by me. I want to keep the seeds, not for sowing. I want to make some gardener's hand soap and mix poppy seeds into it to give it some abrasiveness for your hands, for cleaning your dirty hands. Let's have a quick look at these beet roots down the bottom there. I don't know if you can see them. They're about golf ball size, I think. So a little bit longer and I'll be having some of them. What else have we got? Celery's doing well. Yeah, about the only thing that's not doing well is this basil. But, you know, what? Oh, and the curly parsley doesn't look very clever either. But hey. Sunflowers coming up. Even the one that I thought was blind, as they call it. Flowering stems. Got flowering heads on each one. Got to check these cucumbers. Nothing there yet. I had one of the gherkins, but no more yet. Dahlias are out now. I'm tempted to try one of these carrots, although I think it's a little bit early yet to pull one. Oh, I don't know. Look at that. Let's pull this one. Don't know if this can be seen. Hope so. Let's pull it. Yeah, I love these pots with the cocoa coir. They come out so clean. No sign of any carrot fly damage. Yeah, I love these. So I'll be able to start pulling them now. Absolutely great. I think that'll do for today's, and I'll see you on the next one.